يعطيكم العافية يا شباب. اليوم راح تكون حصتنا logarithms. logarithms هي عبارة عن زي الانفيرس تبعت الاكسبوننشال فانكشن. اللوغاريتم فانكشن هو الانفيرس تبع الاكسبوننشال فانكشن. ما راح امشي نفس ترتيب البوك. راح انه اقعد بدي اعمل ترتيب ثاني، بس طبعا نفس المحتويات راح تكون. هلا لو كنت احكي مثلا 2 to the power 3 equal 8، صح ولا لا؟ طيب الان لو بدي اسال اقول ايش هو الاس اللي هو الاكسبوننت اللي بحطه as a power of 2 to get 8. اوكي، this is what we call logarithm. اذا لما بسال عن الاس اللي هو الاكسبوننت، اوكي، الانديسيز اللي بحطها على البيس اللي هي 2 to get 8، هاي هي اللوغاريتم. هاي كيف تكتب؟ تكتب على هاي الصورة انه لوغاريتم ال 8 to the base 2 equal 3. اذا لوغاريتم ال 8 to the base 2 equal 3. اذا to convert from exponential form to logarithm form, we can use this formula. A to the b equals c. We can write it, this is exponential form. To write it in logarithm form, we write what? Logarithm is c, logarithm is c to the power b equal to the power a, to the power a equal b. يعني اللوغاريتم شو بيعطيني؟ بيعطيني الانديسيز، الباور، بعطيني الباور. لو اخذت اكزامبل حكيت لك write in logarithm form، حكينا 1 10 to the power 3، sure it will be 1000. We write it like what? We write it log 1000 to the base 3 equal to the base 10 sorry equal 3. إذا logarithm 1000 to the base 10 equal 3. في عندنا سبيشال كيس. السبيشال كيس إنه لما يكون البيس 10 يعني خلص متعارف معاه نكتب log without base. إذا ما شفت بيس هنا، إذا ما شفت بيس معناته إنه راح يكون إيش؟ to the power 10 to the power. إذا البيس تبعه 10، البيس تبعه إيش؟ 10. أوكي؟ طيب another example. لو حكيت 4 to the power minus 2 equal what? 1 over 16. If I want to write it in logarithm form, I'll get what? Logarithm 1 over 16 to the base 4 equal minus 2. Third, logarithm, okay, or sorry, 5 to the power 0 equal 1. إذا logarithm 1 to the base 5 equal what? 0. لاحظ هنا لازم يكون عندك استنتاجين مهمات. أول استنتاج إنه logarithm 1 to any base، شو ما كانت البيس راح يعطيني إيش؟ 0. إذا logarithm 1 to any base equal 0. الاستنتاج الثاني مستحيل no way إنه يكون عندي جوات اللوغاريتم نيجاتيف. مستحيل يكون جوات اللوغاريتم نيجاتيف، no way. إذا لازم الجوة الامount اللي جوات اللوغاريتم must be greater than 0. and also the second that إنه logarithm 1 to any base will equal to 0. طب خلينا هسا ناخذ العكس. لو كان في عندي اوكي write example write an exponential form. لو حكيت logarithm 64 to the power 2 equal 6. If I want to write it in exponential form, I write what? 64 equal 2 to the power 6. 2 أو logarithm 10,000 equal 4. لاحظ أنا هون ما في بيس. ما دام ما في بيس إذا الحركة لازم تعرف إنها إيش؟ to the base 10. إذا we'll get what? 10 to the power 4 equal 10,000. 3 logarithm 1 to the base 7 equal 0. So we'll get what? 1 equal 7 to the power 0. الآن لو أخذت حكينا without using calculator find 1 logarithm 100. هون you have two choices. إما مخك بتقول 100 equal 10 to the power what? 10 to the power what? اوكي وبتطلعها فورا. او التشويس الثاني انه يعني انا حولتها من لوغاريتم لاكسبوننشال او بتحللها as exponential equation as we solved last week. I'll get 10 to the power 2 equal 10 to the power x. اذا x equal 2. Another example, logarithm square root of 10. Sorry, logarithm square root of 10. Then I write it as what? Square root of 10 equal base 10 to the power x. You know, all of you know that square root means 10 to the power half equal 10 to the power x. So we'll get x equal half. We'll get x equal half. Okay, in another example like that, this one, if I told you find log 27. Here we can't write 27 as 10 to the power x. So in this case you have to use your calculator. You have to use your calculator. Okay? Okay. Now we have logarithm laws. Logarithm laws. في عندي many laws for logarithm, but this year we'll take 3 laws. First one, logarithm A في B equal logarithm A plus logarithm B. Logarithm A over B equal logarithm A minus logarithm B. The third law, logarithm A to the power n equal n في logarithm A. شو معناته؟ إنه لو كان في عندي اللوغاريتم لا product of two terms, it's the same as you take logarithm to the first one, then you add it to the logarithm of the second one. So the multiple inside logarithm we get what? Addition to logarithm of each one of them. Okay? بعدين نفس الاشي بالنسبة للقسمة ان اللوغاريتم A ناقص لوغاريتم B. هون لما يكون عندك لوغاريتم جواته اكسبوننت بامكانك تطلعه ايش؟ برا، بامكانك تطلعه برا. طب هاي بينفع بس لازم بتكون البيس 10؟ لا، عادي. To any base you can use those laws. إذا to any base you can use those laws. And also you have to remember also دائما إنه logarithm ال1 to any base دائما equal to 0. Okay. And now I'm going to solve exercise about writing a sum or subtract of terms in one logarithm. The question says write as a single logarithm. I'll get what? Logarithm 6 plus logarithm 5. Okay. From the first law, if we have addition of two logarithms, we write it as a single logarithm by multiplying 6 by 5. 6 times 5. So we'll get what? Logarithm 30. The second example, 2 logarithm 2 plus logarithm 3. Here we have to do what first? Okay. We have two choices here. One of them is wrong and the other one is right. Do you think that we have to write it like that? 2 logarithm 2 times 3, 2 logarithm 6, logarithm 6 to the power 2. We enter the 2 as a power, so we have logarithm 36. Or you think that it will be, first I have to enter the 2 as a power, so I'll get what? Logarithm 2 square plus logarithm 3. Logarithm 4 plus logarithm 3, and we'll get what? Logarithm 4 times 3, which equal to logarithm 12. Which do you think, which one of them do you think it's right? For sure, this is the right one, and this is a wrong solution. This is a wrong solution. Okay. Now, minus logarithm 2 minus logarithm 3. Here, I will solve it by two methods. First, I will enter this sign. This sign, negative signs, means that minus 1 times logarithm 2. So I can put it as logarithm 2 to the power minus 1. This minus, you see, this minus, I can put it inside as a power of 2 minus logarithm 3. So I'll have what? Logarithm 2 to the minus 1 over 3. So logarithm 1 over 2 all over 3, which will get logarithm 1 over 6. The other method, I can take from here negative 1 as a common factor of all the terms. So I'll get minus 1 here, logarithm 2 plus logarithm 3. Why? Because negative divided by negative 1, I'll get logarithm 2. Minus logarithm 3 divided by minus 1, I'll get logarithm 3. Here, as you know, it's the logarithm of the product of 2 times 3 equal minus 1 logarithm is 6. Minus 1 will enter as a power, so it will be logarithm 6 to the power minus 1, which equal to logarithm 1 over 6. Now we'll use logarithm laws to simplify expressions. Like, without using a calculator, simplify 1 logarithm is 8 over logarithm 2. As you know, I can write 8 as 2 to the power 3 over logarithm 2. This indices I can put it outside. So I'll get what? 3 logarithm 2 over logarithm 2. Then I can simplify those terms by each other and I'll get what? 3. Another example, I can write logarithm 125 over logarithm 1 over 25. As you know, I can write the 125 as logarithm 5 to the power 3. And here, I have two choices. First, I can write logarithm 25 to the power minus 1. Then I'll get what? Logarithm 5 to the power 3 over logarithm 5 to the power minus 2, because 25 equal 5 to the power 2. I can take the powers outside. 3 for logarithm L5 over minus 2 for logarithm L5. Then I can simplify it and get what? Minus 3 over 2. Okay, see you next time, and best wishes for all of you. Bye.